put some clips on, or just pre-do this so it's easier on the wall. And what we do here is we use the fat side towards the wall, and that gives us our 10 mil for rain screen, keeps the plank away from the wall. Again, same idea as before, same idea as the panel clip, and these need to be every 32 inches, so I'm just going to go 3 on each plank. That should be suffice. Nice thing about our product is probably the only product that has a square groove instead of a V groove, which we really love because it really lends itself as a contemporary product here. I'm just trying to put it in. So you can see that nice eased edge. Some people call it eased edge, some people call it shadow line, nickel slot. There's lots of different names for the same groove, but yeah.
No, man.
So you want the skinnier piece. Sitting on the...
Yeah.
When you've cut the bottom one here and you want to start with a bottom cut piece, which what I like to do because I like to have a full piece at the top here, you're going to have to put a clip the other way though, so just like you would with a panel, fat side out, and I'll show you what that does. What that does is when this goes in there, it's going to get a nice solid surface behind it, or else it'll do this, or else it'll just go in and out. So, yeah. Okay. I need 3 more clips, please. And the 1.75 screws. Yeah, these have the EPDM, the other ones don't.